Get in the middle, dude. Get in the middle, man.
Getting up there.
Oh, you know what? Oh, okay.
You're getting up there.
Hit a lighter, and that's what they said.
So you gonna rock? Let me hear that ring, man.
Tell her what you did.
Back in Colorado Springs, the case is about to take another dramatic turn.
All right, people, we on the road. On the road, we got an 18-hour trip. Shalom, people. We on another trip. Been a busy month. Flying out again, y'all. Where we going? See, I got a jacket on. So that means I'm going somewhere cold. Correct. You guessed it, correct. Going somewhere cold for sure. Yesterday I had a graduation. My daughter graduated yesterday. And tomorrow I got another graduation. My little brother graduated. So that's what it is. We in graduation mode. We going to a graduation. I'm in the store, grab a couple of water, pretzel, little snacks. Okay. Oh, self-serve. Okay. This trip is a book bag trip, y'all. I like it. It's smooth. Check in online. Walk straight into the airport. Book bag on it. Found it in Ross, y'all. Ross. Give me a link. Well, yeah, we headed to Kansas City and pick up my little brother. He graduate. We're gonna drive him back down. We're gonna drive him back down. It's a 19-hour trip, so y'all gonna get that too. I don't know if I'm gonna put it all on this one. Or it's gonna be another vlog. Not sure. I don't know why I do stand behind me. But should be boarding soon, actually. This is 1:10. Should be boarding by 1. No, should be boarding now, actually. But we moving at 1:47, something like that. I don't know, something like that. Well, it's at the 1. That's where I'm supposed to be at, G11. My plane not here yet. So that means they already delayed once. Glad I grabbed my jacket. I think they said it's like 59 degrees out here. Who driving? Lisa? No. You can't drive right now. Right here, y'all. VIP. VIP. Oh yeah, get the Suburban. What's up, humans? What's going on? Get in the middle, man.
No.
Get in the middle, dude. Get in the middle, man.
Getting up there.
Oh, you know what? Oh, okay.
You're getting up there.
We here. We done checked into the hotel. Now we're gonna get some food, some Jamaican food. We actually, last time, if y'all go watch that video, we was here. We came to the same location, now we coming back. You know what I mean? Lisa, you hiding from the camera?
From the camera. Oh yeah. When you were actually a part of the video. Sorry. Ain't no hide.
It's a little chilly out here, man. I just left 80 degrees weather to 50 degrees weather. Reggae kitchen. You know what I want? Yeah. We got the film, that's what I got. Brown stewed fish, rice and peas. Yes, people, it's another day, it's another beautiful day. Graduation day. Hey, that trunk is loaded. All my little brother's stuff in there. It's the other one right here. He went to school of hard knocks, but he here. He graduated.
I graduated. I definitely graduated.
He graduated. And we all here, it's a blessing. Y'all ready?
Road.
Oh, that's a road.
Road, we say.
All right, now
Up and running.
Up and running. All right, everybody head over to the graduation right now. Yes, sir.
Like she know where she walking.
Let her be, eh? This is. Oh. We go up front then. All right. Yeah, we should have been over there. I knew they was coming through there.
And that's where you say it was gonna go.
I know, right? I see balls right there. Alright, that's enough.
Wisdom of heart and mind, realizing success in every challenge and job they find.
Jesus Christ. Man.
Come on now.
I attribute everything that I have to him because he showed me love when I didn't deserve it. It's truly an honor to be in front of so many faces today, and a blessing to be recognized for my hard work.
Okay then.
Kareem Emmanuel Chambers.
Let's go!
Go boy, go boy!
Okay then.
Jorge Guatemo Pitones. Next.
Come on, what? What?
Class of 2025. All undergraduate students. Candles from the right to the left over your heart.
Today, sir.
Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. We're gonna have to go somewhere.
Yeah, we gotta go that way. I say you gotta go that way. Go that way.
Turn around.
You gotta go from right here though. It's too tough.
Lisa's about to lose her mind. Old man right here. Y'all about to take pictures?
That's what they said.
So you gonna rock? Let me hear that ring, man.
Tell her what you did while you were here. You did something.
Y'all must just got something. Okay.
Stop playing.
Okay then. I know who that is. I know who Lil John is.
You know who's John?
Yeah, then, man of the hour, y'all. Look at he gonna get his pictures. You were moving slow. You weren't fast enough. People, we on the road. On the road, we got an 18-hour trip. 18-hour trip. I would not be the only one driving, even though I am driving. They think I'm going to be the only one driving. We got the star right over there. We'll tap in a second.
Back in Colorado Springs, the case is about to take another dramatic turn.
Yeah.
Wood.
You got a purpose now.
Wood.
All right, we're done. Put two and two together on that.
Stepping through the doorway, Kenda takes note of an odor he's come to know all too well.
It's the smell of death.
Look at this bridge, Lisa. Mississippi River.
Sing it. Every day.
Exit right to exit 3, I-64 East.
Your blessings, simple things like your blessing. I don't notice your blessing.
You put me into a little. You can put the car into it a little bit. You the cameraman. Come on now.
She covered her face. I tried to ease it. She thinks she's... You gotta get this in it. It's crazy. Oh, she recording instead.
All right, where we at, Lee?
15 East.
Where we at?
In Kentucky.
No, we're not in Kentucky.
We're not in Kentucky.
We're not in Kentucky. I'm just saying no.
We're in Illinois.
Mount Vernon, Illinois.
We just took our first stop for fuel. Now we back on the road. What is that? Camera about to die. This might be it for y'all. I'm gonna use my phone.
In 500 feet, turn left on Broadway.
Boom, 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 boom. Georgia. What's going on down here? Hold on. Can't. Don't know what's going on down here, but roadblock. Must be a big accident too. We dragging it. Show you what time it is. Time change on us, guys. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. We said we're gonna stop at 3.
Gotta get out some more.
I don't know what happened up here, but roadblock. Well, I guess we're gonna have to get a hotel there. Guy said, up. Look at that. Trust Jesus. Nah, go ahead and get a hotel, brother.
Man, oppression, I have no white God. It's just a black messiah. My God, that bless, so him no blessings. I am no white God. Don't teach me anything wrong. Who the white God save me from white man? You and I, and the family. We can live in you.
Gas brick. Huh? Take gas break. Yeah. Whoa. Macon, Georgia. Yeah, I drove all the way down to 7 hours left. I was about to pull over. My dad took over, so yeah. We're almost there. We got like 5 hours left. Bro, stink. What happened?
He was like the charger and he was like, why didn't you charge the car? Because the car not start. We said, oh my gosh, we're so intelligent.
We about to hit the road again.
And rough cars, you have to chop out the wall. Yeah. So the wall can flash up back before you render. The whole of the place, you're going to go see my place rendering. Yeah? Oh. Even the place upstairs, when I tell him, if you chop out back and move over the thing for me. When you say you have a guy up there, how much do you chop?
Alright, people, we made it. Oh, man. My knees are sore. Everything's sore. We made it here safely. It's a beautiful thing. Oh, man. We made it. So, what time is this? I'm bringing my bag in first. It's like 1:40. We left yesterday at 3:30. We stopped. Only time we stopped was for gas, and we stopped at 2 rest stops for bathroom break. That's it. Oh yeah, we did. Oh yeah, we spent an hour, not an hour, like 30 minutes, 20-30 minutes in Tennessee, Nashville, looking for a hotel. We was trying to get a hotel. Couldn't find nothing. Everything was booked out. So that's all we really did. So we really just drove straight. I drove first, what, 11 hours or something like that. We had like 7 hours and change left. My dad drove for another 5. Then I drove the last 2. You know, I do this. Appreciate y'all for watching, y'all. Make sure you subscribe.